This is part of my warm-up routine using the bench just to get some transverse movement. And I like these leg lifts better because there's constant pressure on the abs. And then the dragon flag is a little more advanced. I'm still working on that one, trying to get lower and lower over time. It's just a matter of holding. It's a good static hold in the position called the dragon flag. Rolling back down, I'm using my Crossover Symmetry strap to modify the Nordic hamstring curl. And then there's another version of it. Simply by moving the hips, you can get a big burn or strain on the hamstrings and glutes. And then I've gone back doing what I call a rugby sit-up, using the same strap, hooked a different way to the bench. There's the front view, standing up. Just another exercise that can be done. And then of course, good old-fashioned donkey raises using a kettlebell as a weight. You can see my left calf is slightly smaller. It's still coming along, but I do these. And then I also switch over to a single leg calf raise using the extended block I've added to the bench. You can see the link below to check out the plans and video on how to build this simple bench. It's great. I use it daily.